火燒雲。火燒雲指日落或日出時，天空中雲彩被陽光照射而呈現出紅橙色，像火焰般絢麗的現象。簡單說，就是夕陽或朝陽染紅雲朵的壯觀景象。
It is a Chinese term for the spectacular fiery clouds that appear in the sky during sunset or sunrise. When the sun's rays illuminate thin clouds near the horizon, they glow in vibrant shades of red, orange, and pink, resembling flames burning across the sky.
照片捕捉到火燒雲的絢爛色彩，非常壯觀。
The photo captured the vibrant colors of fiery clouds, very spectacular.
在暴風雨的前夕，天空經常會出現火燒雲。
On the eve of a storm, fiery clouds often appear in the sky.